Alright guys, we're down here at the smoke hole. A nice place to be. This is where my grandpa, George Silks, he used to log in these mountains, and this used to be an old motel here. And they still got the stone foundation left. It's been around since 1800s. And I think around the 40s is when it all closed down. So I'm going to show you here my bushcraft bag. Works pretty good. This is an old time bag here. This is more like a period, like a Nesmith period bag, colonial bag. I'm going to show you what's inside. Alright, this bag here is old school. Just like these stones, old school, like my grandpa. And what I got is an Italian army bag. And it's got side pouches here on each side. And you can cover them, and they're fully waterproof underneath that canvas. So you got a nice canvas bag. You have a place to slide your hatchet. You have a place to put your fire starter and things you use. This is where I keep on the side I keep cordage. I have a cup, canteen. Keep a saw on the side like I have here. Just showing you a few things and how you can carry them. Your cookware, got that in there. Fire starter. The whole inside is lined with plastic. Like this little flap there. If you go down in, it's totally waterproof and it ties shut. You can cinch everything. It's got a nice flap, and I got a Greek wool blanket, which is real light and really warm and comfortable, and I just strap that right in the bottom there. The Greek wool, as you can see, it's really thin, but it keeps you really warm. So when you're talking lightweight, this is the pack to get. I put a few things in that you might carry. Old school. I'll show you down here. Like sewing kit. I keep like a candle holder, things they used to use for light. I got a candle in here, and cordage. So I wanted to show you this, and I hope you can get a good view of it. It's got awesome straps, and they just clip right on. Boys in the Army, they didn't screw around. And it's not a frame pack, but it's for lightweight overnighters, just going out using your bush skills. And like I said, completely waterproof. And you know, that sells for 38 bucks, $40 at Coleman Supply, Army Supply store. You can go online, find Coleman's Army Supply. And same way with the blanket. It's a Greek wool blanket, Italian Army pack. And this is old. I mean, you got not just spending hundreds of dollars on some canvas bag somebody make. You're getting a vintage, something that has some heritage to it, and you're getting quality. because the Army don't mess around. So I hope you guys like my pack. I'm going to show you more later. Not too sure what this is, what they used it for. It's like a concrete pool. I don't know if it was their spring. It looks like a spring to me because it comes down out of these rocks off the bank. So it's just so growed up that you can't tell it's a spring anymore. But that's part of the logging camp also. Okay boys, this is where you get your drink. That's the old spring that the log camp used. My grandpa used this years ago when it was operating. He brought me down here. We call this area the smoke hole, and we usually see a lot of bear around here. But you can see that water, even though it's not tampered with much, it's clean. So hey, you can build something that'll still work today. There's another view of it.